Hi everyone, so I'm Mitushi Gupta, your host and host, back with the fourth episode of Sunday Prep Season 2 Quick Takes. Today I am thrilled to introduce you to our guest, which is Miss Bhavna, a seasoned HR manager currently spearheading the talent initiatives at Havels. With over 13 years of invaluable experience in human resource management, Bhavna has left her mark across a diverse array of sectors, including financial institutions like HDFC to renowned brands like Hollister and TDK Electronics. So Bhavna paints a picture of a dynamic professional adept at fostering harmonious relations between the management and the employees while excelling in recruitment, employee welfare and contract labor management. But Bhavna's expertise goes far beyond the confines of the traditional HR functions. She is a talent acquisition expert employing innovative methods to source and assess candidates, ensuring the perfect fit for every role. So join me as I explore Bhavna's journey through the ever-evolving landscape of human resources, uncovering the strategies and insights that have shaped her into the exceptional HR leader she is today.
Okay, first of all, hi Mitoshi, thank you so much for bringing this up and choosing this topic in your podcast, and I really appreciate that. So, first of all, I would like to, talk about a myth which is in market about recruitment and talent acquisition. See, recruitment and talent acquisition, people have this myth that recruitment and talent acquisition is the same thing, but no, it is not. Recruitment is different and talent acquisition is different. Recruitment is one of the stage of talent acquisition where we focus on the immediate needs and immediate hirings, where we fill the very urgent positions and requirements of any organization. Whereas the talent acquisition is something where we focus on the maintaining the pool of talents, and we focus on the maintaining the relationship with the potential candidates. We maintain the long term hiring plans, and we prepare the long term strategies for the hiring and talents, wherein we focus on the talent management, where we make strategy to present any organization in the outer world or outer market. So talent acquisition is a very huge and big scope.
So thank you Bhavna for clarifying the distinction between recruitment and talent acquisition. It's a common misconception, I must say. So please continue enlightening us on the future of talent acquisition.
Now let's talk about the future of talent acquisition or future in talent acquisition. See, there was a wave in COVID, whereas jobs were going, pandemic was eating all of us. That time people was losing their job, companies were laying off people, and there was a drawback in market. But after COVID, when the COVID vanished, there was a severe boom. There was a severe boom in market. COVID was there, and in 2021, market suddenly goes up, and there was a lot of openings in market. In COVID, there's one thing happened. A lot of logistic companies had invested in India, and there are a lot of other startups started in India where in logistic industries, basically, because nothing was working, everything was in lockdown, companies were under pressure. Logistic industry was working in that period, so there were a lot of logistic startups that time, and the outside companies, foreign companies were investing in India, and they were setting up their offices or their branches here in India in logistic industry. So there are a lot of openings. And secondly, the way India responded to COVID in comparison to the other countries, because of our immunity, somehow foreign companies had some kind of trust on India, and they started investing. If you will see the trends previously, after COVID, there are a lot of foreign industries and foreign companies had invested in India, and now we have a lot of opening in market. Okay, secondly, if you will see the business, the big companies, big organization, big names of India or the other outside foreigners companies now not limited on one product. If you can see, oil companies are in solar businesses now. Okay, car companies are into EV or different kind of automobile like I work for Havel. Havels is like having n number of products. They are already have n numbers of product now. Also after that they are like introducing other products. We have like separate a designing center in Noida and Bangalore, where the designers and the R&D team research for different kind of new products, where what products we can introduce in market, what new products we can introduce in market. So companies are evolving and developing and introducing and investing in different kind of product and different kind of businesses. They are not stick on the one product or one business. So knowing that, we know that running so much of businesses, we need people. Okay, and for hiring people, we need talent acquisition. Now, if you have seen earlier in HR department, we had the HR journalists, HR executives, and admin department and recruitment department. After a period of time, we started hearing now HRBPs, HR business partners. There is a term of HR business partner. They have this certain role, which is a different topic. We will discuss it later if we'll get any opportunity. Now, if you will see the market, we have TABPs, talent acquisition business partner. There is a separate term, talent acquisition business partner. So companies has had given the separate importance to the talent acquisition department, because they had understood that this is the thing we need to hire right people for our business at right time. For that, company needs to have people in talent acquisition who have the foreseen eye, who have that skill, who can identify the needs of business, who can understand the business very well, who can understand the personality of people. So people understanding skills, company is looking. So having said that, yes, talent acquisition is having big scope and very great future. If someone wants to get into the talent acquisition, go to the great or the good business school, do your MBA within HR, and there are certain companies which are hiring people from campus, or there are a lot of consultants also in market. There is another business which is getting importance in market. There are a lot of other tools like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, Indeed.com, Monster.com. There are a lot of consultants out there in market, consultancy firms in market, which are having lot of scope for talent acquisition, business partners. Companies have now started giving importance to the talent acquisition. It was there in in past, but now there is a certain change. Companies have realized that we need to focus on this thing, people building, culture building, and so these things are working. So yes, things are changing, and it's having very great future.
So with this, we come to the end of today's episode, where I would like to thank Ms. Bhavna firstly for joining me on this episode, and thank you to all the listeners who are listening to this video right now, and stay tuned for the next episode.